Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. I'm making one of my favorite pakoda recipes, which is the Paneer Pakoda, but I'm doing it a little differently today. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I've got some paneer which I have cut into pieces, but I've got them in pairs. And then I have some green chutney. We don't want a very watery green chutney. I'm going to put the green chutney on my paneer piece and I'm going to sandwich it in two pieces of paneer like this. So I'm going to do this for all my paneer pieces. The recipe for the green chutney is in the videos before. You can cut the paneer into however big thick slices you like. We have to make our batter next. So for that I have my Besan Atta. To that I have rice flour, some red chilli powder, salt, little Haldi powder, some Jeera powder and some Ajwain. I'm going to add in some water to make a batter. We don't want the batter too thin. I'm mixing this with a whisk to ensure it's lump free. My oil is hot for deep frying. I'm going to dip my paneer pieces into the besan flour batter. Coat it well and deep fry. My paneer bhajiyas or pakodas are nice and golden brown. It's time to remove these from the oil and enjoy nice and hot. Our paneer pakodas are ready. I hope you enjoy these. These taste best served with ketchup. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.